Geneva pangthokpa UNHRC gi kuntaruk suba meeting Manipur dagi IFSA gi working president oiriba Khuraizam athobana mahaki ani shuba intervention thamankre mahaki ani shuba intervention da Manipur da kankhalakliba irang amasung sokchilakliba fibam gi matang da wafam sing thamladuna hai haukiba tha tara taru asida Indian government ka peace talk tawduna leiriba kulai paiba 𝗔𝗡𝗏𝗜𝗦 narco-terrorist singna drone bombing amasung rocket sizinaduna kilometer 8 lapa changdagi akanba mawongda lan chatharakliba micham taba mifam singda target tawba amadi miyamgi lan thum manghan takhanduna thokliba irang asi hena sathiba mayon amada purakli handakta Unified Command ki Chairman Kuldip Singh Chawrangna kuki chamapan militant Indo-Myanmar border faraga lansilaktuna Manipur da changsin khre amasung lamdam asagi yalhomi singda landa chathanaba plan leire haina thamki Indian Army listing hompu handbana lamdam asida deploy tawduna leiragasu chapchaba action lokhatpa leitri government ki complicity gi matangda concern hangalakpa amasung native citizen gi security dagi geopolitical interest na hena prioritize tawbana Manipur gi yalhomi praja sing asidi maichak Pagalaiba irang amasung lengak na ningthina ngakpi senbiba ngamdaba anigi marakta fazinduna thambaga manare masi regional crisis nate yamna sathiraba human rights emergency ni masina Southeast Asia da khwaidagi liraba civilization amagi existence da threat pibani Indian government na ngasi fawba protect tawbidaba Manipur gi yalhomi singbu protect tawbinaba amadi lamdam asida sokchilaba fibam asibu taksinki loinana kulai paiba immigrant narco terrorist singna paikhalakliba pirakliba threat asi masak khangduna makhatana chatharaktanaba lokhatfam thokpa khongthang sing lokhatnaba athuba mityeng changbinaba Khuraizam athobana makhatana wafam thamkri hairi
placing the indigenous native population under severe threat. Over the past 15 months, armed groups belonging to 𝗔𝗡𝗏𝗏𝗦 narco-terrorist groups who are under peace talks with the government of India have launched violent attacks using drone bombings and rockets from far as 7 kilometers away. The situation has escalated to a different level, targeting civilian areas resulting in several deaths and destruction of properties. Recent alerts reported by the chairman of the Unified Command confirms that approximately 900 Kuki militants have infiltrated Manipur from across the Indo-Myanmar border, planning coordinated assaults against the native population. Despite the deployment of over 60,000 Indian troops in the region, there has been little effective action, raising concerns of government complicity and an apparent prioritization of geopolitical interests over the security of its own native citizens. Manipur's indigenous people are now trapped in a hostage-like situation caught between escalating violence and ineffective state protection. This is not just a regional crisis, it is a grave human rights emergency with far-reaching implications threatening the very existence of one of the oldest civilizations in Southeast Asia. We urge this council to intervene to protect the native people of Manipur, where the Indian government has failed till date, to assign relevant mandate office and special rapporteurs to assess the ever-deteriorating situations in the region, and also to recognize the threat of immigrant armed narco-terrorism and take necessary actions to stop it from spiraling further. We urgently seek your immediate attention. Thank you.